Do you feel energy? Want to try something fun? Let's do this. Rub your hands together. We're going to see if you can feel your energy. So get them warm, and then once you feel that they're warm, just start to move your hands further apart. Kind of go back and forth. Just seeing if you can feel any energy going in between them. And if you want, you can make your hands bigger. See if the energy's in there. If you need to, close your eyes. See if you can sense it even more. Just keep doing this until you can actually feel a ball forming within your hands. This is an energy ball. This is your energy ball. This is your energy. So once you get the ball in a shape, just hold it for a while and just see how your energy feels. See if you can sense anything. Is it heavy, light? Does it have movement? Is it stiff? How does it feel? And you can just play with that and see how it goes. Now, if you want to go a little further and have a little fun, this is the best part, is I want you to, if you are ready to, only if you're ready to, I want you to pass me your energy ball and I will pass you my energy ball. And then you can hold mine and see what my energy feels like. So if you're ready, let's do that. I'm going to pass you mine and I'm going to take yours. So I want you just to now feel and see what you can sense with that energy. How does my energy feel differently from yours? Can you feel a difference? Can you not feel a difference? How's it going? And just sit with it for a little bit. Feel it. Okay. So if you want, you can keep playing with these things, doing this with friends, whatever. But right now, I just need my energy ball back, and I'm going to give you your energy ball back. So there we go. Now I have my energy ball. I'm just going to collapse it. So that is feeling energy, called energy ball exercise. Keep practicing. The more you can feel energy, the more exciting things can be in your life.